So, ito na nga mga tol, ano? Ito na yung reverse shattered backboards natin. Kita nyo naman, no? Napaka-angas.
Yeah.
Yun.
Sa masa naman.
Eh, bago na naman.
Ito.
Uy, ayos to. Sige. Sige. Sa next video naman to. Next video.
$2,000 later.
So what's up guys, we back at it again with another video. We got this package right here and I'm gonna be unboxing this. Alright, so one more thing guys. This package came all the way to Washington, Seattle, man. So damn, like my business is going up, bro. Like it's booming, man. It's booming. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. So shout out to my boys out there in Seattle. Be safe, bro. I love you guys. So this package right here was from my uncle Christian and for his son Ian. So thank you guys for supporting my video, my vlogs. Thank you po Tito. Thank you po Tita. Thank you po. So unbox na po natin siya.
One eternity later.
Alright. So let's see what we got here. Damn, another Jordans, man. Sheesh. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Damn. As you can see, we got the cute Jordan 1, man. See that? Yeah. So this is from Ian, all the way from Seattle. So I'm gonna be making these shoes into a Miles Morales shoes, like these ones. See? So he's the main character in the movie Spiderman Into the Spider-Verse. So it's not a big deal because I'm just gonna paint this toe into a white and that's basically it. And it's gonna be dope. Alright y'all, let's go. Okay, so break time muna tayo mga tol. Titignan na natin kung ano na yung hinain sa labas. Kaya tara, kain muna tayo. Okay, so mga tol, may iba naman tayo ngayon. Ibis na si Mami, yung magluluto. Ito naman yung specialty ni Dad. Napakaangas. Tingnan mo.
NANI?!
Napakaalap.
Sarap ba, Mix? Sarap. Tikman natin yun. Okay, syempre, hindi mawawalan ng hot sauce. Lagyan natin. Nalagyan na ako.
NANI?!
Alright.
NANI?!
So, ang tawag pala dito mga tol, ano? Udon, ramen. In short, noodles na pinasosyal. Dali, may speak tayo, Mix. Isang bagsak lang.
Wala, ikaw nga. Madaming bagsak eh.
Isang bagsak lang. Bato.
Ano, madaming bagsak.
Dali. Bato.
Oo na ako.
Okay. Bato.
Eventually.
Okay, so kita nyo naman no. Okay na nalo sa bato pick pero wala, syempre. Ako pa rin maghuhugas. Pero okay lang. Tara.
3 weeks later.
Alright, y'all, so we are finally done with our customized, bro. So we got that Miles Morales inspired sneaker, Jordan 1s. Yeah, so I just basically turned the black toe into a white toe right here. So clean, bro. Like, you can't even notice what's the difference between the black toe and the white toe. You know what I'm saying? Turns out really good. It turns out like it's a Jordan Chicago ones, like these ones right here. And then yeah, so shout out to Ian's family for letting me customize his shoes, and thank you for supporting my business, my small business. I hope you guys like it, and just stay safe out there, just stay indoors, and I'll see you soon. So Ian, just remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, so once again, if you guys got any shoes that you want me to customize, just hit me up and I got you. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so that's it for our short customization, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.